In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a grain effect in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got my picture here, and now we've got a couple of different ways how we can do this. So the first way is to click on your image, and then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the filters button, and then we can add noise. And now we can go ahead and change the intensity of that, and you can say it's adding a grain filter on, and we can change the blend mode and all that stuff too. So you can muck around with all the settings inside of here. But say if I don't want to do that, there is another way to do this. So what we need to do is find a grain image. So what we can do is come to Google and just search for a grain texture and just choose any one of these copyright free images. So I'm just going to use this one here for this demonstration. So I've just opened it in a new window, and obviously I've saved it to my computer. Now from here, I'm going to come back, and now I want to go ahead and place an image. So go ahead and place tool. Now I'm going to find that grain image. So here it is here. I'm just going to go ahead and drag this out on my image. So I'm just going to make it fit the whole image like so. Just going to make it fit. All right, so you can see on the right, we've got the grain and my image here as well. Now what we want to do is click on the grain, and then where it says normal, we want to go ahead and click onto overlay. And now we can change the opacity of how that grain looks on that image.